The Agile Manifesto emphasizes the importance of individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. These values guide Agile teams in prioritizing human-centric approaches and adaptability. The spectrum of process complexity helps us understand the nature of processes, ranging from simple and easily knowable to chaotic and neither knowable nor predictable. When managing a system, knowing whether it is predictable or complex is essential to choosing the right approach and avoiding mismanagement. The APM framework is a dynamic approach to agile project management, involving stages like initiate, speculate, execute, and adapt. It encourages continuous monitoring and control, ensuring projects remain aligned with their vision and objectives. Envisioning is the initial phase of the APM framework, where key members collaborate to create a compelling vision for the project. This stage sets the foundation for determining product vision, objectives, constraints, and how the team will work together. During the envision phase, activities focus on understanding the customer's product vision, identifying key capabilities, business objectives, quality objectives, scope, constraints, participants, risks, and delivery approach. This comprehensive analysis ensures a clear direction for the project. At the end of the envision phase, the team has understood the project vision, learned the scope at a high level, identified risks and approaches to handle them, recognized key capabilities, identified stakeholders, and determined the delivery approach. This sets a solid foundation for the next phases. The APM framework is a cycle of envisioning, speculating, exploring, adapting, and closing. This iterative process allows teams to continuously refine their approach and ensure alignment with project goals. Understanding key agile concepts such as business case, agile roles, and the metaphor of pigs and chickens is essential for effective project management. These elements help teams navigate the complexities of agile methodologies. A business case is a document intended to convince decision makers to approve a project, while a project charter outlines project objectives and provides the project manager with authority. These documents are crucial for initiating and guiding projects. The product backlog is a list of planned functionalities for a project, sorted by value to the customer. It includes grooming, which involves adding and cleaning up completed stories. A well-maintained backlog is essential for prioritizing tasks and ensuring project success. Themes are broad ways of describing areas of focus within a project. Each theme can encompass several epics or user stories, helping teams organize and prioritize their work effectively. When writing user stories, it's important to focus on customer needs, use simple language, include unique story numbers, prioritize, estimate size, and ensure stories are testable, independent, and achievable. These considerations help create clear and actionable user stories. The INVEST model outlines criteria for well-defined user stories: independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small size, and testable. This model ensures user stories are clear, flexible, and actionable, facilitating effective project management. The INVEST exercise helps teams evaluate user stories based on criteria like independence, testability, value, size, negotiability, and estimability. This evaluation ensures stories are well structured and ready for development. User stories consist of three parts: card, conversation, and confirmation. These elements ensure stories are well documented, discussed, and verified, providing a comprehensive approach to capturing user requirements. Every user story includes 3 parts: card, conversation, and confirmation. This structure helps teams capture detailed requirements, facilitate discussions, and verify acceptance criteria, ensuring stories meet user needs. The conversation aspect of user stories is crucial, as it forces collaboration between the development team and product owner. This dialogue ensures stories are well understood and aligned with project goals, fostering effective communication and planning. Confirmation involves identifying acceptance tests for user stories, ensuring they meet specified criteria. This step is vital for verifying that development aligns with user needs and project objectives, providing a clear path to successful delivery. Epic user stories are formatted to capture broad requirements, often including roles, goals, and reasons. This format helps teams understand the scope and prioritize features, ensuring alignment with project objectives and user needs. In the world of product development, prioritizing backlog items is crucial. Here, we see a comparison of different backlog items based on their size and business value, helping teams decide what to tackle first. A detailed view of backlog items allows teams to assess and prioritize tasks effectively, ensuring that the most valuable and feasible items are addressed first. To increase website traffic, we focus on 2 main epochs: adding a new video section and improving login page usability. Each epoch is broken down into user stories and tasks, guiding the development process. The minimum marketable feature, or MMF, is the smallest set of features that provides value to users. It emphasizes incremental delivery and ensures that each release adds value to the product. Time boxing and story points are essential in agile planning. Time boxing sets a fixed duration for tasks, while story points provide a relative measure of effort required for development. In agile development, an iteration or sprint is a short cycle where teams plan, execute, and review their work. This iterative process helps in achieving clear goals and continuous improvement. Agile roles are vital for project success. The Scrum project involves roles like product owner, Scrum master, and team, while XP projects include roles like customer, coach, and programmer. Team composition varies across agile methodologies. Understanding the roles and team sizes in generic Agile, XP, Scrum, and DSDM helps in forming effective teams for project success. In Scrum, the roles of pigs and chickens illustrate commitment levels. Pigs are fully committed to the project, while chickens are involved but not accountable. Speculation is a part of the agile process where teams brainstorm and explore possibilities, helping to shape the direction of the project. Our agenda covers the APM framework, adaptive planning, and progressive elaboration, along with key activities like requirement gathering and risk management. Progressive elaboration involves refining plans as more information becomes available, allowing for detailed and accurate project estimates over time. Adaptive planning is about adjusting plans as projects evolve. It involves release planning, iteration planning, and daily planning to accommodate changes effectively. The APM framework consists of envisioning, exploring, adapting, and closing phases, guiding teams through the project lifecycle with flexibility and foresight. Activities in Agile include gathering requirements, organizing features, and managing risks. Identifying potential features and categorizing them helps in prioritizing development efforts. Prioritizing features involves techniques like Moscow and Kano, ensuring that the most critical features are developed first. Collaboration with customers is key to accurate estimations. Requirement gathering techniques such as modeling, personas, and business use cases help in understanding and documenting what the project needs to achieve. Agile modeling uses prototypes to give a glimpse of the final product, encouraging user feedback and refining requirements through examples like wireframes and personas. Prototypes serve as working models that help customers understand the design and functionality, facilitating better communication and feedback. Wireframes provide a visual representation of the architecture design, helping to align the team's understanding of the project's interface and requirements. An imaginary person or identity is created to model interactions with the system in order to gather requirements, enhancing your understanding about your customers profoundly and in detail. Personas describe several different types of customers to help bring the idea to life. For example, creating a point-of-sale system involves understanding the persona of a Tyler, a teenager who uses the system for credit later that day. Extreme personas are also considered to ensure requirements are met. In software and systems engineering, a use case is a list of steps, typically defining interactions between a role, known as an actor, and a system, to achieve a goal. The actor can be a human, an external system, or time. Use cases are a methodology used in system analysis to identify, clarify, and organize system requirements. They are employed during several stages of software development, such as planning system requirements, validating design, testing software, and creating online help and user manuals. Let's delve into an example of a use case with an ATM system. The goal is to allow users to withdraw cash from their accounts via a user-friendly interface. The persona involved is a user logging in with a card and PIN. Success and failure conditions are clearly defined, ensuring the system responds appropriately to user actions. This structured approach helps in understanding the user journey and system interactions. After going through all the activities of requirement gathering, a product backlog is evolved which will be further refined and prioritized. This backlog includes a list of requirements that need to be addressed, such as user authentication, data retrieval, and system notifications. Each requirement is described with conditions that must be met, ensuring a comprehensive approach to product development. The backlog serves as a dynamic roadmap guiding the project towards successful completion.